You've established your online presence, and now you need visitors. Get instant traffic and leads with our Google Adwords and display network solutions. By targeting the right keywords being searched by your customers, Google AdWords is the best way to drive targeted traffic to your website instantly. And by targeting the right demographic with Google Display Network, you can showcase your brand on all sites your customers frequently visit. Our clear and transparent strategy maximizes your budget and shows you how we provide instant results and build top-of-mind awareness. Your ROI won't be a mystery. If you're ready for targeted traffic, we're ready to help you get it. Contact us now to get started.